Welcome all. Welcome to Financial Freedom. My name is Samir Bapat, and today we are going to learn about reversal patterns by candlestick. So there are other reversal patterns which take longer time to form. Candlestick reversal pattern takes shorter time to form, typically to reverse the trend. So we are going to learn candlestick reversal pattern. समझ लिया है हमने. Candlestick reversal patterns are combination of two candles, right? We have studied last Wednesday, we studied about candlesticks, individual candlestick, what an individual candlestick represents, what is the fight between bulls and bears. Now, reversal patterns is a combination of two candles. So these two candles together is very, very important. Before I go to this candlestick reversal patterns and all, how many of you have practiced the trading view? I had shared the full playlist about trading view, and it is very, very important that you understand how to operate trading view, because even if you learn and if you don't know to operate any charting software, then how you will use whatever you are learning, right? आपको यूज भी तो करना है इसको. So अभी हम सीख लेंगे, फिर उसको यूज कहाँ करेंगे, देखेंगे कहाँ पे. So how many of you completed the trading view and practice along with that also? If you completed watching, great, but I would recommend practicing also. Great. Just to give a reference of trading view, now when I started my trading, the same software which is available for free by trading view, even with Zerodha, Fires, everyone is giving for free those charting softwares where we prepare chart. But when I started trading in 2004 and all, so the same software were available for around 20 to 30,000 rupees 20 years ago. So if we inflation adjusted, means that was almost like 1 lakh rupees value that time. Plus you have to pay additional 10,000 rupees for data, which we would download in the evening, and then the charts will form. So we had to wait till evening 4:30, we'll download the data, then we'll know the data, अच्छा ये data hai. Or I had to physically download. So I'm just telling you the value of what TradingView is giving for free, or even Zerodha is giving for free, or Fires is all the brokers are now giving those charting software for free. It's not free. You can take the value as almost 1 lakh rupees what they are offering you right now. So you have to give that much respect to what they're offering right now. Okay, so I see a lot of people, not very lot of people. I can count actually. So let me see. Yes, तो इसका था with am I audible? And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it. Out of 70 people, only 7 people watch trading view. ऐसे बात नहीं बनेगी, आगे फिर पढ़ना मुश्किल हो जाएगा. You will not be able to use it, whatever you are learning. Okay, now I have, okay, great. Good. So yes, lot of people are there. So we can go ahead. Now I can go ahead. I'm assured that yes, a lot of people will be able to use whatever we are going to learn, because now we are into a realm of technical analysis. So candlestick patterns, reversal pattern is a reversal, right? Something has to be reversed. So there is a price going down, and this pattern, when it forms, it tells us, because we are learning the language of charts. So the charts talk to us that, okay, this pattern has formed. Now there is a possibility that the price will go up. Why don't you invest the money? So that is how the chart will talk to us. So we have to learn the language of chart. There are typically, I'll take only bullish reversal patterns today, because I don't want to confuse you with bearish reversal pattern. Bearish reversal patterns will take on Monday. Today I'll take bullish reversal pattern, which will be of more importance to you all. Bullish reversal pattern is when the price is going down, the pattern will form, and from there the price will go up. So that is called bullish, then pattern, and then it will reverse the downtrend. So we have piercing pattern, bullish engulfing, harami, morning star, evening star. Will study on Monday. So we have morning star. There are multiple reversal patterns, but these are the main patterns which you will see quite often. So if you study this also, then also it is enough to good amount of money you can earn if you start identifying and following the patterns. First pattern is piercing pattern. So how it will look is there will be a red candle here. Now you have to pay attention here. Okay, we have a red candle here. Like I said, we have a pair of candles. Next day, the bulls are so excited that at 9:15 they open the market at a higher price. So this is a red candle. We know the price closed here. The bulls were so eager the next day that they opened the price, the starting price, they opened at a higher level. Maybe some wick might be there. Sometimes there is no wick. They kept on buying and it closed above the previous high. So this is the high of previous day. It closed here. So whenever you see something like this, where the price, there is a red candle, next day there is a green candle opens higher than the close of the red candle, the opening is higher. ये clear है सबको? First distinction. The green candle opening is higher than red candle closing. Then second distinction is it keeps on going and it closes above the high of the red candle. So these two distinctions make it a piercing pattern. Okay, so it's like a eagerness of the bulls to take the market up because they are very bullish about the coming future. Now, word of caution. If I see this pattern, should I immediately buy? नहीं, कुछ नियम कायदे हैं. We have to follow those rules. We have to remember those rules. And I would request everyone to remember those rules. So what I would suggest is you draw this in your notebook and then type yes if you have drawn, and then we will go to the rules for trading this, because today I am going to share the rules of trading, when to take a trade, what should be the target, what should be the stop loss. Done? Okay. Now, what we have to, before trading any reversal pattern, these four conditions should be met. Condition number one, there should be a downtrend before reversal pattern. So the price should be going down. That only has to be reversed, right? So first thing is you have to see down. ऐसा नहीं हो कि uptrend में you are seeing piercing pattern and you say अरे वाह piercing pattern बन गया. नहीं, these are reversal patterns. So the price is going down, reversal pattern forms. Second is it should form near to previous support or resistance level. ऐसा नहीं कि कहीं भी बीच में बन गया. It is preferably at a similar level. It may not be precision at the same level what it was previous, but it should be at the same level, similar level. Then third is traded volume of any one of the reversal candle should be higher or greater than the preceding 4 to 5 days. I'll show you the example. Okay, I'll show the example of everything. Fourth is the most important part which people forget. So please remember, we are learning to talk to chart. So listen to what chart is telling us. Don't चार्ट कुछ बोल रहा है, आप कुछ और सोच रहे हो. नहीं नहीं नहीं, चार्ट गलत हो सकता है, ये ऐसा नहीं. आई सॉ द रिव्यू ऑफ दिस फेलो, दैट फेलो, it is likely to go up. No, chart will always tell you the truth. Listen to the chart. Don't impose your wishes. Don't impose कि नहीं नहीं, I want this price to go up, so this reversal pattern has happened, so I'll take the trade. नहीं, listen to the chart carefully. I'll share, you can note down the patterns and then we'll go to the straight away we'll go to the practicals. Now this is the ये piercing pattern clear हो गया ना सबको. अभी we'll go for bullish engulfing. Bullish engulfing, what happens is there is a downtrend, then there is a small candle, red candle, and the green candle forms. This is the body of red candle. This is the body of green candle. Green candle is engulfing the red candle. It is covering the entire red candle. So it is engulfing. So this is called bullish engulfing. Then it will go up. So main important is the red should be engulfed by green. Better if the entire candle is engulfed by the body of this green. ये क्लियर हो गया एनगल्फिंग का क्या मतलब है? एवरीवन क्लियर? Okay. Now, this is Harami pattern. It is going down. There is a red candle followed by a small green candle. So this small green candle is sort of, it's in between. So Harami means in Japanese, what I read in books is like a pregnant lady. So it looks like a pregnant lady. So there's a kid, it looks like that. So this is a Harami pattern. इट इज कॉल्ड हरामी पैटर्न. नॉर्थ में थोड़ा अच्छा वर्ड नहीं है, बट है, अब ये है तो है, बुक्स में पढ़ना पड़ता है तो यही है वर्ड इसका. सो लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट इज मॉर्निंग स्टार. मॉर्निंग स्टार इज द प्राइस इज कमिंग डाउन. वी हैव अ कैंडल, देन वी हैव अ दोजी with a long lower wick. Long lower wick is important, and then subsequently there is a green candle going up. So this is of three candle formation. Okay, so we are going to study only these four candles. Anyone wants me to go through this patterns, or everyone has noted down? Everyone has drawn. This is piercing pattern, this is bullish engulfing, this is Harami pattern, and this is morning star. Why it is called morning star is because this candlestick pattern was formed 400 years ago. So Japanese people used to use astrology also. So morning you will see Mercury along with the sun. So if they are going for a war, because a lot of terminologies have come from the war battlefield also. So if you see a morning star, the skies are clear, they can go for the battle in the morning. So it's a morning star. They used to say, अच्छा आज star दिख गया, skies are clear, we can go for war. बारिश वारिश होगा तो प्रॉब्लम होगा लड़ने में. रूल्स आई एम शोइंग, रूल्स आई एम शोइंग. ठीक है, पैटर्न हो गया अपने. अब हमको ट्रेड कब लेना है? ठीक है, सो व्हेन वी हैव टू टेक द ट्रेड, क्योंकि मुद्दे की बात तो वही है. तो ट्रेड हमको कब लेना है? बाय एट द ओपनिंग ऑफ द नेक्स्ट डे ऑफ रिवर्सल पैटर्न. मींस व्हाट? डाउन ट्रेंड हुआ, ये पियर्सिंग पैटर्न हुआ, पैटर्न फॉर्म हो गया, वी विल बी एबल टू सी दिस मच ओनली. नेक्स्ट डे द मार्केट विल ओपन, यू बाय एट द ओपनिंग. ओके, सो बाय एट द ओपनिंग ऑफ नेक्स्ट डे ऑफ रिवर्सल पैटर्न. ठीक है. Then stop loss is the low of lowest low. So in this case, out of these two candle, this is the lowest low. Correct. So your stop loss will be here. The lowest low will be your stop loss. मान लीजिए उसके बाद कल के बाद यहाँ पे ओपन हुआ मार्केट, आपने यहाँ बाय कर लिया, ये लोएस्ट लो है, ये स्टॉप लॉस है. अगर मार्केट नीचे आया तो यहाँ पे निकल जाना है हमको, बिकॉज सी देर इज नो गारंटी इन स्टॉक मार्केट दैट यू विल अर्न ओनली, देर विल बी ओनली प्रॉफिट्स. नो सिस्टम इन वर्ल्ड, okay, I'll not claim that much, but at least in my experience, no system has come in the world which will give you only profits. So what we have to do is we have to control losses. Okay. Yes, Amol is asking, all these are daily candle. Yes, I'm talking only daily. The same principle can apply on weekly, 5 minutes, 2 minutes. You can apply this principle anywhere. So I'm talking about, it's a candle. You can take it to 15 minutes candle. You can take to 30 minutes candle. Anywhere you can take. Now, so we have to control the losses. Now, this is very important. The rule number 2, stop loss. Whenever we are entering into trade, now I want all 75 participants to listen to me very, very carefully, and please remember what I am saying. मतलब हाथ जोड़ के विनंती है सबसे कि मेरी बात सुन लो. When you are trading or when you are going for a long-term investment, before even buying one share or even spending one single rupee on buying share, you should be very clear about the exit criteria. Under what conditions I will exit this stock. People buy share, they don't know when to exit. Then they see loss happening 50, 60, 70%. Then they search on Google, ask 50 people on WhatsApp, क्या करूं मैं इसका? Then they forget the stock. They say नहीं नहीं मैंने तो लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए नहीं, लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए नहीं खरीदा था आपने, शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए ही खरीदा था. आपको एग्जिट क्राइटेरिया नहीं पता था, यू डिडंट नो व्हेन टू एग्जिट. सो माय request to everyone who is participating here, at least remember this thing: whenever you are taking a trade, you should know what is your exit criteria in loss and exit criteria in profit. So you should, before entering, you should have a exit criteria, when to exit, how much loss you are going to take, exit criteria, how much profit you are going to take. I want everyone to say yes if you are clearly understood, because this is most forgotten concept by everyone. I want everyone to this is most important. Trading में इससे बड़ा rule कोई नहीं है. ये go anywhere, stop loss, you should know when to exit after you enter the trade. Don't decide exit after you enter the trade कि trade ले लिया, अब मैं निकलूं कैसे, वो मत करो. पहले डिसाइड करो कब निकलना है, ट्रेड में एंटर हो, वो कंडीशन मीट होती है, कम आउट. टारगेट प्रीसीडिंग टॉप. ठीक है, सो अपना ये थ्योरी हो गया. नाउ लेट्स गो टू द प्रैक्टिकल एस्पेक्ट ऑफ इट. Okay, so I'll pause for a question Q&A session. काफी सारे questions आ रहे हैं. Okay, so हाँ, okay, so anyone, ये है महजूब. Okay, Mr. Mahjoob is asking, are these criteria is self-definition or any thumb rule? I'll show you the thumb rule. These are like based on some we can say experience, like what happens repeated over and over, because technical analysis is repetition over the period. So these are not ki random kuch bhi decide kar liya. Based on my experience, I am sharing with you. Based on your trading, you can fine tune, but exit criteria you have to be very sure before entering this trade. ये तो पक्की बात है. Second is Pradeep ji are asking, can I shift my target? Yes, you can shift your target, but don't shift. पहले एक target decide कर लीजिए and then you can trail it. Okay, you can book some profit, थोड़ा जेब में पैसा आ जाए, थोड़ा trail कर लीजिए. Like that you can do. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's see practical aspect and again we'll come to the questions. Now, if we see, this is Bajaj Finance. Okay, you can see the chart of Bajaj Finance in front of you. Yes. Okay. Now, ये अगर हम यहाँ देखें तो we have a bullish engulfing, right? The body, red body is engulfed by the green body. So bullish engulfing. Okay, बढ़िया है. We got this pair. बढ़िया. Good. We got a reversal pattern, but we have to check the conditions. Now the condition number one is the price should be coming down. Is the price coming down here from here? Has the price been in downtrend? Yes. So there has to be a downtrend for it to be reversed. Reversal pattern पढ़ रहे हैं. ठीक है. Rule number one clear. Rule number two, either of this candle should have volume. Volume is the traded number of shares which was traded. ये volume के pillars हैं, right? These are the volume pillars which are demonstrated here. One of either this इस candle का या इस candle का volume जो है should be greater than the previous 4 to 5 candles, 4 to 5 days candles. So this is the volume of this. Since this is a pair, this is greater than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So roughly, can I say that the volume of one of the candle is much higher than the previous 4 to 5 days. दूसरा एक और क्राइटेरिया हमारा मीट हो गया. तीसरा यह है कि I will put a line here and see if the price went bounced from it. Like support we had learned last week, right? If I throw a ball, it will hit the floor and bounce. So I have to check whether it has bounced. So it has bounced. See here it has bounced. ठीक है, बढ़िया, very good. पास्ट में और कहीं बाउंस हुआ है? हाँ, ये यहाँ पे थोड़ा बाउंस होके फिर ये बाउंस हुआ है. और थोड़ा पास्ट में देखेंगे, यहाँ पे कुछ बाउंस हुआ है. हाँ, सॉर्ट ऑफ इट बाउंस्ड हियर. सो इट गिव्स अस अ मोर कंफर्मेशन कि हाँ, यहाँ पे the price bounced at this location in the past also. So there is a possibility that at this level it might go up. So everyone, okay, let's review this rules to consider, right? अभी हो गया, देयर शुड बी डाउन ट्रेंड, आ गया डाउन ट्रेंड, बढ़िया. इट शुड फॉर्म नियर टू प्रीवियस सपोर्ट, वो भी हो गया. ट्रेडेड वॉल्यूम ऑफ एनी वन ऑफ द रिवर्सल कैंडल शुड बी ग्रेटर देन द प्रीसीडिंग 4 to 5 days कैंडल, ठीक है, हो गया. लिसन टू व्हाट चार्ट इज टेलिंग यू. क्लियर? नाउ इफ आई गो, नाउ द फिफ्थ पॉइंट, लिसन टू व्हाट चार्ट इज टेलिंग यू. Why it is important? Now I have okay, you can see the Bajaj Finance chart, right? Now if you see Bajaj Finance, ठीक है, ये अपना रिवर्सल पैटर्न हो गया. Kotak Bank, Kotak Bank also, if you see, there was a downtrend. This candle was there. This candle engulfed that candle. अगर हम यहाँ पे एक लाइन लगाएंगे तो if we go back, it has bounced from here. Yes, in past it has bounced from here. It has bounced from here. And if you see, okay, it looks decent place where it has bounced, right? So from here also it bounced. So support level है, ये भी हो गया. Now check the volume of this candles. ये reversal pattern की candle है. This is getting engulfed by this. So if you see the volume criteria match हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है? Is the volume criteria matching? No. So we should let it go. See, since we are beginners, we are beginners, we are trading now. हमको जाने दो ना. And what will happen is market will play with your mind. Today you will let it go कि यार I will not trade. That trade will go up 20% and you will think यार ये समीर ने बराबर बोला था क्या, मतलब does he know really, मतलब कितना experience है इसको. And you'll see 2-3 times this will happening, and fifth time when you will invest it will go down. Okay, so why I am saying is don't impose कि नहीं कोटक का अच्छा न्यूज भी आ रहा है, ये है वो है, रिवर्सल पैटर्न भी बन गया है, वॉल्यूम को छोड़ो यार, नहीं, don't do that. Follow all the rules and then take the trade. Don't impose your wish on the chart. So comparison between Bajaj Finance, this and Kotak, as of now, who is the winner? For Bajaj Finance type B, for Kotak type K. So looks B is quite decent, right? Now HDFC Bank, if you see HDFC Bank also, there was a downturn and there was a volume. See now here, if you see the volume here is higher than the preceding 4 to 5 candles, right? So HDFC Bank का थोड़ा सा edge है above the Kotak Mahindra Bank. This is a reversal pattern. But if you have multiple options and limited amount to invest, better to go for the most suitable option which is matching in all criteria. ठीक है, डन, एवरीवन okay with that? Clear, crystal clear? Any questions? I'll allow you to unmute, then you can or you can ask questions, unmute yourself. Clear?
Samir, the volume should be in the red candle zone or any of the three.
See, this is a reversal pattern.
Correct.
है ना? So these two combinations are making reversal pattern. तो either इसका volume और इसका volume, either way
Okay.
should be higher. Whether it is red, green doesn't matter. That's why I have deliberately colored it gray.
Correct.
So doesn't matter, because what is happening is here, see, long wick is there. The bulls have pulled it, and next day they are trying to take it up.
Right.
So it is
right.
How to get volume chart. So Pramod, I am sure you have not seen my trading view playlist. So Pramod ji, I would request you to watch my trading view playlist, which I have shared on the group.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, sir, Dr. Saab. I was just seeing the comments. dekh raha tha main. Your question is clear, right?
Yes.
Yes. Clear. Okay, great. Thank you. Okay, now we have this reversal pattern. Now, if I want to take a trade, now how do I plan a trade? Simple hai, ye reversal pattern hai. So my entry will be the next day open. So my entry will be here. Okay, this will be my entry. So next day the candle opened here. This is my entry. Like I said before, buying anything, I should know stop loss. So this should be my stop loss. Okay, so low of this candle should be my stop loss. Low is around 6541.05. उतना 0.05 लेने की जरूरत नहीं. 6541 is my stop loss. If the price, after my buying, if the price goes down here, I should be exiting. ठीक है. Now, if so, ये हो गया मेरा. I have decided, सब चेक कर लिया, एंट्री कहाँ है, यहाँ पे एंट्री है, ये स्टॉप लॉस है. अब मेरा एग्जिट का क्या टारगेट है? आई कैन टेक माय टारगेट एज दिस. सो व्हेन इट इज बाउंसिंग बैक, दिस इज माय टारगेट. दिस इज क्वाइट एम्बिशियस. इवन आई कैन बी हैप्पी विथ दिस ऑल्सो. काफी अच्छा है, मतलब इफ यू सी दिस मच रिस्क, दिस मच रिवॉर्ड, ऑल्सो गुड. Okay, so you can keep, थोड़ा सा moderate रखना ही better है. थोड़ा we should keep our expectation low. We can keep this as our target. Okay, so I would request everyone to observe Bajaj Finance in coming days. What happens, whether it goes still there or not, whether it achieves the target or not. नहीं भी हुआ, stop loss भी hit हुआ, तो ऐसा नहीं कि theory गलत हो गई. Because there will be occasions where the entire setup will be perfect and it will hit stop loss. Okay, so don't worry. But if you take multiple trades, the number of trades, profitable trades, has to be more than the loss making trades. That should be our endeavor. At the end of the day, we should be profitable. Doesn't matter if you are losing or winning money, but at the end we should be profitable. So any questions on trading rule or entry rule or something? Clear? सबको clear है? Kumar ji, can you unmute yourself? I'm not able to understand what is the rule 1 you are asking for. Can you? No, Kumar, Mr. Kumar, I'm not able to understand what you are asking with rule number 1. What you want to know?
Samir, actually, one more question. I think it is buy at the opening of the next day of the reversal pattern. So it has to be bought early in the morning. That is at 9 o'clock when the session starts.
9:15 when the market starts, you can buy that.
Okay.
Yeah. So Abhilasha ji is asking how much time it can take to reach the target. Maybe the same time how much it took to come down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 10-15 days, जितना time उसको नीचे गिरने में लगा, roughly उतना ही time उसको ऊपर जाने में लगेगा. How to decide how many days it will take to reach target? Same answer, right? But I don't have any study or I don't have any statistical analysis. I cannot say by I cannot say with confidence कि नहीं मैंने I have checked this statistically that it will take so much time. I'm just saying roughly. Okay, it can be wrong also. Sir, rule 4 is above rule 3 should fulfill, right? Yes, rule 4 is above rule 3 rules should fulfill. Which rule we are talking? एक minute, let me show the slide. मैं rule 1 और rule 4 के बीच में बहुत confuse हो रहा हूँ. Okay, are we talking about this rule? Rule 4, listen to what chart is saying. ये तो हमेशा याद रखना ही रखना है अपने को. We should never forget this rule. Okay, rule 1, yes. This is okay. Mr. Kumar, you are happy with this rule? There should be a downtrend. Okay. Then which you are talking? This one. By the opening of the next day. अरे सर आप अनम्यूट कर लो एक बार आप प्लीज अनम्यूट कर लो तो अच्छा हो जाएगा आई एम अलाउइंग यू टू अनम्यूट इट्स वेरी वो डम शराड्स हो रहा है अपना हाँ बोलिए हाँ कुमार जी बोलिए आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा एक्चुअली आई एम नॉट एबल टू हियर यू I'll show you both the slides. You take a snapshot. Okay. So these are only 2 slides. This is the rule number 1. I'll just do it. आप इसका snapshot ले लीजिए. Okay. You take a screenshot of this. Okay. Taken. Okay. Now, okay. So done, right? And this everyone can take a snapshot. Okay. So
hi sir, this is Abhijit.
yeah.
Sir, what to do when there is a stop loss on the same day? When you buy something and on the same day it goes to the stop loss.
Exit with the stop now.
On the same day we can't exit, no? You're talking
वो
about
intraday
intraday or?
trade हो जाएगा ना if you're buying
हाँ.
it will be treated as an intraday trade.
Okay.
So
I usually don't do intraday. That's why I had this
नहीं
question.
but the broker will think you have done intraday.
Okay.
Or another
Thank you,
thing is I think you can exit on the same day. I don't see any problem. Rules change हो गए हैं क्या अभी? You can do it.
Not sure, sir. I'm just a beginner, so that's why I had this question.
अच्छा नहीं you can sell it the same day.
Sunny sir, again the confusion is the third day ka candle has to be established that it has grown higher or it has
नहीं opening पे ले सकते हो if you want
open.
to confirm that okay let it go up like if it is opening up that is a good sign. Like in case of HDFC Bank, if you see that okay it has still not crossed the previous one, you can wait for it to cross above this high. But more often than not you can as well take it क्योंकि आपका risk छोटा है reward बड़ा है. So if you are playing with a risk reward of 1:3, still you may have let's say 4 losing trades. Like even if you have 5 losing 5 winning trades, still you will be profitable.
Okay. Thank you.
So let's go ahead. Let's see some more reversal patterns. So here we are having reversal pattern. See here, now here, this is how the market will play with your mind. So we have a downside, we have a support level. It has gone up earlier, but the volume is not supporting, but still the price has gone up. Okay. Now, many times you will see that, okay, so everyone is able to see right here. The price has gone down. I'll zoom in. Let me first cut it here. Okay. So see, the price has gone down. You see the 2 candles. Reversal pattern hai. Volumes are not supporting. It is at the same level. You'll say, let it go. And you will not trade it. Next day, it goes up also. Still you will say, nahi yaar, volume ka rule fulfill nahi ho raha, I'll not trade. Please don't trade. Then you will find that it has gone up. Don't worry. Don't have a fear of missing out. We are here to play a high probability game. We are in a casino. Okay, don't forget that. We want to place our bets where the probability of winning is high. If I don't understand this game, let me get up off the table and go to the next table. मेरे को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, वॉल्यूम नहीं मजा आ रहा है इसमें, मैं छोड़ के दूसरा इसमें चला जाऊंगा. See here, है ना? So it is better you, if everything is fulfilled, you trade that only. That way market will check your patience. It will check your resolve कि हाँ ये सही खिलाड़ी है या नहीं है. Right. So here, if we, let's see some more examples. Let's see here, this again, this is going down. This is bullish engulfing. Volume is higher than the previous one. ये लिया जाता है इसका opening पे लेके. So this is your stop loss. Check whether previous support पे कहीं ये bounce हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है. ओके, यस, यहाँ पे बाउंस हुआ है. ओके, ठीक है, डन. वॉल्यूम भी मैच कर रहा है. कमिंग डाउन, यू कैन टेक द ट्रेड. सो व्हाट आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट एवरीवन टू डू इज go back, open any chart, look at the V shapes. These are the V shapes. Okay, look what patterns are forming here. Look at the volume patterns, put a support line there, match with the past, see if it has bounced or not, put the stop loss here, stop loss here, entry here, see whether it goes till the previous high or not. This is the previous high. So our target is the previous high. It has gone or not. You check at least 30 samples. Check minimum 30 samples. Okay. Sometimes it may happen. See something like this. Okay. Now it has gone down. And this is the morning star, one candle, small hammer. Again, the green candle, you enter here. This is the stop loss. So again, it goes down. Maybe it will go sideways for a few days and then go up. Here, in this case, it has not gone till the top. So we will learn about trailing stops in coming sessions. How to trail it, how to, like our expectation is कि यहाँ तक जाएगा, but it went up and then went down again. So how to avoid that, how we can use trailing stop loss, we'll be learning in next sessions. So
sir, what is sir, what is the interpretation of the volumes? How does it justify our entry?
वॉल्यूम है, सी देखिए, अगर आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हम क्या चाहते हैं, हम चाहते हैं कि मतलब अगर मैं बिल्कुल इफ आई से इन वेरी लेमैन लैंग्वेज में कि मैं अकेला क्यों फंसूं, मैं चाहता हूं बहुत सारे लोग मेरे साथ मतलब अटक जाए उसमें. करेक्ट. आई वांट अ कंप्लीट क्या बोलते, पूरा भीड़ चाहिए मुझे अपने पीछे. राइट. आई वांट पीपल, आई वांट टू नो वेदर द पीपल आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग और नॉट. सी इफ आई सी
कन्विक्शन है कि
कन्विक्शन, मतलब मेरा कन्विक्शन तो है और लोगों का भी कन्विक्शन है कि नहीं है, दैट विल बी रिफ्लेक्टिंग थ्रू वॉल्यूम. सो आई वांट अ हायर वॉल्यूम व्हिच इज लाइक which will मेरा तो पैसा अटका ही है, दूसरों का भी अटका है कि नहीं, ये देखना है अपने को बस.
ओके सर. ओके.
तो see, if you see volume is 2.105 million into if you say 6,300, मतलब कितना हो गया, 6300 into 2, मतलब 12,000 million. 12,000 million पैसा लग गया है कल. राइट. सो अब इतना पैसा लगा है तो मेरा लाख 2 लाख तो फिर कहीं जाएगा नहीं ज्यादा. सो इट हैज हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी लाइक दैट. Okay, so I hope everyone is clear about today's reversal pattern. Crystal clear? Yes, no? I would request everyone to go back, please practice, because from here, listening to me will not help you. Listening to me is like going to pravachan and not doing meditation, right? So you have to now do meditation on the charts. प्रवचन सुन लिया है आज का स्टॉक मार्केट पे, आप प्लीज जाइए, ओपन द चार्ट्स, प्रैक्टिस, सी ऑलमोस्ट 20 to 30 स्टॉक्स एंड देन गो टू एक्चुअल ट्रेडिंग. सो डोंट जंप कि नहीं कल हो गया मंडे एंड नो, डोंट डू दैट. फर्स्ट चेक 20-30 चार्ट्स, get convinced with what I am telling you. I can tell anything, any story, but you have to validate my stories, right? You have to make it your stories and then go ahead. Yes, Anil's question is very valid. In Morningstar, all three candles can be considered volume, any one of the three. Yes, agreed. Okay, great. ये कह रहे हैं कि सुखिंदर जी सुखजिंदर जी कह रहे हैं कि पैसा लगा है या निकला है. रिवर्सल पैटर्न में अगर वॉल्यूम ज्यादा है तो लगा होने की पॉसिबिलिटी ज्यादा है क्योंकि हम सपोर्ट भी देख रहे हैं. ओके, लास्ट सेशन, कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज द ट्रेडिंग व्यू प्लेलिस्ट? I will share the playlist also. I think I have shared in the last week. I have shared in the post. Okay, so great. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much for joining today. See you on Monday, where we'll see the bearish reversal patterns and how we have to be cautious when the bearish reversal patterns form. So thank you. Thanks a lot.